So, what is about to be demonstrated here is the noises that the experiment makes. These are noises that he makes by himself. He doesn't use any sort of tool or mechanism to make these sorts of noise that you will be hearing. But for some odd reason, I've been getting a lot of questions of how I've been making these noises. And to kind of top it off, this is all without a squeaker or one of those devices that you use to make those squeaking noises. This is all coming from me that's actually making these noises. So I hope these turn out very well. I've been doing these squeaks for a couple of years now. All of this has been self-taught. This is stuff that I've been doing on my own, and I genuinely hope that you guys love this. I put a lot of effort into this. I mean, I'm sorry if it's lagging a lot because, my computer is terrible, but I hope you guys enjoy the noises that the experiment makes. Thanks.